Hey friends, if you encounter Windows Update error 0xc190011f, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So here's the thing. First of all, run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, scroll down and select troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters. Click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter. Let it detect problems and resolve them if possible. The next option is to check Windows Update related services, especially two. So I'll tell you which ones. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Now scroll down to Background Intelligence Transfer Service. Right click on it and select Start. If it is already started, then still restart it. Okay. And then scroll down to the Windows Update service. Right click on it and then select restart, or if it is not started, then click on start. The next one is to install the update in the clean boot state, just in case a third party software product is preventing these updates. And how would you do that? So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab, check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Lastly, disable proxy settings on your computer. Right click on the press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command inetcpl.cpl and hit enter. Go to the connections tab, select LAN settings, check the box associated with automatically detect settings. Check the box, uncheck this box for use a proxy server for your LAN. This should be checked, this should be unchecked. Click on OK, click on OK once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.